This rope. What up? What up? Ready to row? Feeling a little sick today.
Did that morning jog?
That morning jog. It's a beautiful day today. Check out that sky, nice and blue. You got some clouds. Anyways, we're gonna go to the tire shop right now and then pick up some tires for his Z. Cause last event, he shred them all. So he has no tires in the rear, so we're gonna get some tires and then we're gonna go to my house, install them, and then we'll see what else we do. Ready for the next sesh. That's Babe.
Hell yeah.
There's a lot of Z's in this neighborhood. We gotta wait for the homie Harvey because he took the little bars that we used to take off the tires for the tire machine. He was supposed to drop them off last night, and he didn't. So now we gotta wait for him to show up. In the meantime, we're gonna probably hit up Home Depot right now and get some spray cans because Angel wants to paint his wheels white. So when we remove the tires, we're gonna spray paint them white. Gloss white Rust-Oleum. We're gonna use this in our gun, in our spray gun. Check it out. So we're gonna show you guys how to spray paint your your wheels using only $3. So check it out. We have our paint right here. This is basically the same thing as your regular spray can. You see, but it's actually more expensive to paint with your spray can, and it's not. And when you spray it, it's I don't know. I guess you waste more paint. But check it out. This is only $3, and this will be more than enough to paint the whole wheels. So we're gonna show you guys right now how to prep this paint, how to mix it, and then how to spray it. So stick around. All right, we're gonna go ahead and remove the wheels. And these are the wheels we're gonna be painting. They're black, flat black right now, with some scratches, but we're gonna sand them down real quick, and then they're gonna be gloss white. So they're gonna look pretty sick once they're painted. Fucking Angel was going hard. So yeah, we're gonna start off by removing the tires, and then once we have all the tires removed, we're gonna prep the wheels and paint them. And then we're gonna let them sit for a while, and then we're gonna install new tires for his wheels. Let's get it. All right, so what we're gonna do next is we're gonna grab our sandpaper. We're gonna be using some wet 600 grit. We're gonna give them a light sand, and then should be good. Show them how to.
So the trick is you fold it once like this, and the other one like this. That way, when you sand, you get a good grip, and the sandpaper doesn't slide off your hand.
Nice. Just gonna give it a light sand, just so the paint grabs. A couple minutes later, and they should look like this. You wanna paint them from the back too?
Just in case.
Just in case. All right, so we're done spraying. Sanding them down. We're just gonna wipe them down, and then they should be ready for paint. All right, check it out. So we have our Rust-Oleum paint, and then you're gonna need a cup, any cup, and then some paint thinner, reducer, whatever you guys find. Let me show you guys how to mix it. you can see that this paint is really thick, so that's why we gotta reduce it. This is probably as enough to paint the whole wheels, all four. So after you pour your paint, grab some paint thinner. See what I mean? Then you mix it. Make sure you stir it pretty good. Let me add a little bit more paint. Might be too watery. Should be good. $3 guys, $3 to paint your wheels. Alright, so after you have your paint mixed, you're gonna throw it in your gun and then get ready to spray it. Pour the whole thing. Make sure you cover it nice and tight. Put your tip on. Tiene un chingo de aire, güey. So you can always adjust your gun. It can fire flat or like straight. You adjust it right here. So like on tight spots, you can just fix your gun and then see. Looking good. I'll do it. I'm tired. Shit. It's very easy. Just make sure to get like those tight spots first, like the inside. All right, so we're gonna do all of them, and then we're gonna let them sit, and then we'll show you how they look after we're done. Alright, so we had to wait till the next day to let the wheels dry. I guess they're finally dry. It took longer than expected, but yeah, we're gonna put the tires on and then we'll put them on the car, see how they look. It's kind of late, but we're gonna install the wheels right now. Oh, fucking cold.
Damn, it's cold.
It's so cold. Shit, we shouldn't be doing this right now. It's so fucking cold. I'm gonna fucking run, see if it helps. Ooh, nah, shouldn't help. I think I need to run a little more. If you guys don't remember, it's bad. This is where we did that burnout gender review.
Hasn't even came out, the spot.
Huh? Hey, what?
The spot hasn't even came out.
Oh, it's still here, huh? Oh shit.
The one in the back came out.
Yeah, if you guys haven't checked out that burnout gender review, go check it out. It's a few videos down. Ready? Go for it. Lower it. Oh, way. Hey, wait, you need some coils, bro. I thought it was gonna go lower, way. Check out that gap. I think my dog can sleep in there, way. Yep. Need some coils, bro. But check out those. Check out that colorway. Pretty sick, no?
Yeah.
For $3. Not bad. Not bad. Not bad. Hey, fucking way sicker way. What do you guys think? Comment below what you guys think. Should we paint the car black? Okay. Eh? If this video gets 1,000 likes, way, we'll paint it black way, like the coupe.
If it gets 1,000 likes, we'll put suspension on it.
Nah, way. That's too much, way. 100 likes, way. 100 likes. 100 likes on this video, and he's gonna buy some PBM coils, right?
Yep.
PBM coils. 100 likes. Dale, mijo. Tengo frío.